Today, I'm here to break down everything you need to know about getting started in digital marketing from the comfort of your own home. So, whether you're a stay-at-home mum, a busy professional, or someone just looking to explore a new career, digital marketing is something you can dive into with just a computer and an internet connection. And the best part? You can get started for free and build up real skills at your own pace. Today, I'll guide you through step by step, and to make things super easy, I'll share an example. Let's say you want to help a local bakery get more customers online. Ready to dive in? First, let's talk about what digital marketing is. Simply put, digital marketing is promoting businesses online. Think of it as a way of helping a business, like our example bakery, reach people who might be interested in what they have to offer, whether it's through social media, a website, or even emails. So for our bakery example, digital marketing could mean posting mouth-watering photos of fresh pastries on Instagram, helping people find the bakery's website on Google, or sending out a newsletter with special offers. Now, digital marketing has many areas you can explore, like social media, email marketing, or even something called SEO, which helps people find businesses on Google. So step 2 is choosing your focus area. For our bakery, let's say we decide to start with social media because it's visual, free to use, and easy to learn. Social media will help us reach people who love tasty treats right on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Once you know your focus, it's time to learn the basics, and you don't need to pay for this. There are amazing free resources like Google's Digital Garage and HubSpot Academy. Even watching videos on YouTube can give you a head start. Take an hour or so each day and learn about creating engaging social media posts, understanding what people like, and how to get them to notice our bakery. Now for the fun part, getting hands-on. For step 4, let's create an Instagram page for our bakery. Start by posting pictures of popular items like pastries, cakes, and fresh bread. Think about what will catch people's eye, like a gooey chocolate chip cookie or a beautiful cake. And don't forget to add some words that might grab attention. Use phrases like fresh out of the oven or get your treats today. Keep practicing different post styles to see what people respond to. On-screen tip, use eye-catching photos and fun phrases. Step 5, build a simple portfolio. Cut to YouTuber holding a folder. Once you've posted for a while, start collecting your best examples into a portfolio. Think of this like a scrapbook of your best work. If someone asks, "What do you know about social media?" you'll have actual posts, captions, and results to show them. For our bakery, we could include screenshots of the posts with the most likes or comments. Showing what you've done will help you land future clients or jobs in digital marketing. On-screen text. Portfolio tip, save your best posts and captions. Step 6, finding your first clients or jobs. Cut to YouTuber, upbeat tone. All right, now you're probably wondering, how do I get clients and make money from this? In step 6, I recommend starting with freelancing websites like Upwork or Fiverr. You can offer your services to help other local businesses, or even volunteer to help a friend's business online. Another option is to reach out to local businesses that might need help, like our bakery. You can say, "I'd love to help you with your social media and get more customers to see your amazing products." Trust me, small businesses love having someone to help them get noticed online. On-screen text, platforms to start, Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. The digital world is always changing, so step 7 is all about staying updated. Check out industry blogs like Neil Patel's blog or Social Media Examiner. Watch new tutorials and keep experimenting with new trends. For example, if Instagram introduces a new feature, like stories or reels, try using it to showcase our bakery's treats. Staying current will help you stay ahead in your career. On screen, stay updated with blogs, tutorials, and trends. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can start your journey into digital marketing right from your home. Whether you're promoting a local bakery or another business you love, these steps will help you get started, build experience, and even earn money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to build